Hey there, science fans! Welcome to my lab, where today, we're diving into the incredible process of cell division. Without it, none of us would even be here. Every single living thing grows and reproduces because cells know how to divide, making more cells. We're going to journey into the heart of a cell to witness the 6 amazing phases of this cycle. So put on your imaginary lab coats and goggles, because things are about to get scientific. Get ready to be wowed by the wonders of life itself as we uncover the secrets of cell division together. Pay attention anyway. Okay, science crew. First up is prophase, the kickoff stage of cell division. Inside the cell's nucleus, we've got this jumbled up stuff called chromatin. It's basically DNA all tangled up like a bunch of headphones in your backpack. During prophase, the chromatin condenses and coils up tightly, forming chromosomes. These guys are like the instruction manuals for the cell. While the chromosomes are forming, the nuclear envelope starts to break down, allowing the chromosomes to move around more easily. And those little structures called centrioles start moving to opposite ends of the cell, like they're getting ready for a tug of war. Welcome to metaphase, everybody! This is where things get really organized. Remember those centrioles? They've been sending out spindle fibers like tiny ropes attaching to each chromosome. All those chromosomes line up right in the middle of the cell, like they're standing at attention for inspection. This middle lineup ensures that when the cell divides, each new cell will get a complete set of chromosomes. Hold on to your seats, science fans, because anaphase is where the real action begins. Those spindle fibers shorten and pull the chromosomes apart. Each chromosome, made of 2 identical copies called sister chromatids, gets yanked apart and starts moving to opposite sides of the cell. As they're being pulled, the cell starts to elongate, making room for the 2 new cells that are about to be formed. By the end of anaphase, we've got 2 sets of identical chromosomes, each at opposite ends of the cell, ready to become part of their very own cellular domains. Chapter 4. Telophase. 2. New homes on the block. The chromosomes have reached their destinations at opposite ends of the cell. They start to unwind and relax, going back to their more spread-out form. A new nuclear envelope forms around each set of chromosomes, creating 2 new nuclei within the cell. Those spindle fibers that worked so hard in anaphase start to disappear, their job well done. Telophase is all about getting things back in order and setting the stage for the grand finale of cell division. Chapter 5, Cytokinesis, splitting up the goods. Get ready for the grand finale, folks, cytokinesis. This is where the cell finally splits into 2 brand new daughter cells. In animal cells, the cell membrane pinches inward until it eventually pinches all the way through, creating 2 separate cells. Plant cells form a cell plate down the middle, like building a wall to divide a room. And just like that, what was once 1 cell has become 2. Each new daughter cell has a complete set of chromosomes, its own nucleus, and all the other organelles it needs to thrive. Chapter 6. Interphase. Time to rest, recharge, and replicate. After the excitement of cell division, it's time for a well-deserved break. Interphase is the longest part of the cell cycle. During interphase, the cell grows and carries out its normal functions. The cell is busy making proteins, producing energy, and doing all the things that keep it alive and kicking. Most importantly, during interphase, the cell makes a copy of its DNA. Once the DNA is replicated, the cell enters another round of cell division, starting the cycle all over again. Otro, that's a wrap on cell division. Well, there you have it, science superstars. We've journeyed through all 6 stages of cell division, from the first signs of prophase to the grand finale of cytokinesis. We saw how chromosomes condense, line up, and get pulled apart, how the nucleus divides, and how the cell finally splits into 2 identical daughter cells. If you found this journey into the cell as fascinating as I do, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your burning cell division questions, and subscribe for more science adventures. Thanks for joining me today. Keep asking questions and never stop exploring the wonders of science.